and welcome to the Culinary School of Fort Worth. My name is Amy Jewell and I'm the Director of Admissions here. I would love to take a minute and just show you around. Follow me. This right here is what we call the Great Room. This serves many purposes here for us at the Culinary School of Fort Worth, including housing our friends and family events and then also outside and community events that we have for our students to get some extra hands-on training. We do offer what's called the Professional Culinary Program. It is a 9-month course. It is hands-on, so we offer about 85% hands-on study, and then there is a lecture component as well. During that time here with us, you will get to study the sweet and the savory side of the kitchen, as well as kitchen management, nutrition, and our off-site externship. We do have 2 classroom areas, so we're going to have this classroom over in this direction. We have 20 students maximum per class, so you're going to have really good small class sizes. We do want to have you have a lot of time with the instructors, so that's why we do like to keep our class sizes on the smaller side. While you're here, you will get to study things like knife skills, which is going to include a lot of repetition. We want to get you really good at those knife skills. You're going to do some meat fabrication, your major cooking blocks, so you learn how to handle meats, cooking proteins to the proper temperature, how to prepare vegetables, starches, fruits, all of those different things. You will have some more advanced classes where you'll get to do things like learning how to make pasta, bread making, as well as some other pastry techniques as well. Our off-site externship is an amazing part of the program. This is the last portion of the program. Instead of coming here to campus, you will go to one of our off-site locations that we partner with. During this time, you'll get hands-on training, industry connections, and a really good experience to hopefully get your foot in the door after graduation. This is our second classroom on this side. From here, I'm going to take you into the kitchen where we will meet Chef Star, and he'll tell you a little bit about what we have going on in here.
Hi everyone, I'm Chef Ethan Starr, a culinary instructor here at the Culinary School of Fort Worth. I'm standing in our professional culinary kitchen right here. We have a mirrored image on the other side, so the other kitchen is identical to this one. This is where all the hands-on learning is going to take place, where all the cooking is going to be done, preparing you for the industry. So take a walk with me to show you the dish pit. So this is where the students, everyone is going to take care of their own dishes, teaching responsibility, also just how to take care of your station and be sanitary and safe in the kitchen. Walk this way with me on the other side of our kitchen. We have a student chef here working on some internship hours where you're going to have the opportunity to come in, do some hands-on learning with the chefs outside of class, work on any projects or events that we have coming up. On this side of the kitchen, we're entering our dry storage and our walk-in area. This is where we keep all of our inventory, just making sure that you guys know how to properly take care of all of your product. All right?
Thank you for joining us on this tour of the Culinary School of Fort Worth. If you have more questions or would like to come in and take a tour, feel free to reach out to us by phone, email, or through the website. Thanks and have a great day.